In the given volume versus temperature diagram, what is the relationship between pressure P1 and P2? The question involves the relationship between pressures P1 and P2 in a volume versus temperature diagram. Using the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT, we can write in terms of P is equal to nRT by V. And we know the slope is given by V by T. For a given gas, Nr is constant. Hence at constant pressure, we note P is inversely proportional to the slope. For a given gas, Nr is constant. Hence at a constant pressure, P is inversely proportional to the slope. So we can write P is proportional to 1 by tan theta, where theta is the angle the line makes with the temperature axis T. From the diagram, we can see that theta 1 is less than theta 2. That is because tan theta 1 is less than tan theta 2. Since we have pressure inversely proportional to tan theta, we get P1 is greater than P2. Hence the correct answer is option D, P2 less than P1.